Now look at it. Ain't this magnificent? Wow. Nice. Alright guys, today I'll be showing you how I prepare this very delicious honey, garlic and herb salmon. So right here I have little over a pound of Atlantic salmon fillet. Also got a lemon right here, 5 cloves of garlic, right? My thyme, my rosemary, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 4 tablespoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, my peppercorns, and my salt, right? So first I'm gonna start by adding some salt to taste. Also gonna add some pepper to taste, right? And you're just gonna make sure you flip it to the opposite side and continue. And you're gonna make sure you get all that season onto the salmon, right? With my stove on medium high, now I'm gonna go ahead and add my oil. And I'm gonna toss my pot around a bit just to level the oil in the bottom of the pot, right? Now I'm gonna go ahead and start pan-searing my salmon, right? And I'm just gonna pan-sear the salmon on each side for about 2 to 3 minutes. Guys, this recipe is gonna be so awesome, trust me. You need to try this, it's so delicious. As you can see right here, I already went off camera and pressed my garlic just to release the flavor, right? And I'm gonna add it to my pot. Also gonna add my butter, right? My rosemary, my thyme, my minced ginger, my honey, right? And you're just gonna make sure you get all of that honey out, right? Now I'm gonna go ahead and add half the lemon, right? You don't need more than half the lemon because you don't want the lemon juice overpower the salmon too much. Now I'm gonna go ahead and toss my pot around a bit, and I'm gonna start spoon feeding my salmon fillet. Wow guys, you should smell the aroma right now coming from the pot, trust me. This is wow, you need to try it. Muzzle up, yum. Martin. Alright guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment and subscribe. Peace.